Air Gaging LLC's booth in the 2022 IMTS show. So we were measuring cylinder bores using a air gauge and a Fanuc robot CRX-10IA, and we are measuring the 4 bores of the cylinder in 3 positions: at the bottom, at the middle, and at the top, as you're seeing now. And then the next step is it will come out of there. It'll return to a home position, and then it will proceed to the cylinder bore 4 and go to the bottom, middle, top, and it will cycle through the whole 4-cylinder engine. Here we are showing a match station between a bore and a fuel injector and the plunger, and we are showing the clearance between them to show that it's a good match. On the next station here, we are showing our Metro electronic gauges, where we're measuring diameters using probes. This being a slightly different type of fixture with blades instead of flats. And here we are measuring with a MAR probe a height. Over here, we are showing the Metro M400 gaging system, where you connect on a DIN rail different modules. In this case, we have 5 air to electronic modules. We have a 6th one sitting there that we could slide in. We're showing all these gauges. The M400 can have up to 99 inputs and display up to 32 characteristics, and can be a mix match of air to electronic, or as we have back here, we could, that's an air to electronic converter. This is a Mitutoyo digimatic coming from a micrometer. We could input lvdts or probes. We could have a digital I/O for handshaking with a robot, for instance. We could have a temperature probe for offsetting values, and we have a whole host of modules that could be added to that. And our last station here is we are measuring a 308 gun barrel. Now, what makes us unique in this case is we are measuring both the bore and the groove at the same time in this gauge in one pass. That's the only one you'll see that does both at one time. So that is our booth for IMTS 2022.